Hello amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a reaction video instead of the Hamilton Right Hand Man. I'm really sorry, but I wasn't feeling it, and I know that's a stupid excuse, but I promise I will post it eventually. Whether it is tomorrow or sometime in September, I will post it. I promise you guys, I will. The song itself, I wasn't feeling it. Like, normally with other songs, I'm feeling it, and I'm like, yeah, let's do this. But with this one, I'm just not feeling it quite yet, and I don't know the lyrics that well, because, you know, it's just not a song that I really like that much, but I need to practice it, and I need to learn it, and I need to love it before I can post it. So, I will do that, and then, yeah. But today I'll be reacting to Hamilton Vines. I will link the video that I'm watching today in the description down below. Go check it out. Laugh along with me. If I laugh, I will have to, this is a really silly challenge. But every time I laugh, I will put a ice cube down my shirt. Yes. I'm not the smartest, so what else? Anyways, let's get right on to this video. Okay, so I got my ice cubes. I don't have very much. I think I only grabbed 5, so let's hope I don't laugh that much. Why am I doing this? Anyways, yeah. I'm allowed to smile.
Would you relish being a poor man's wife, unable to provide for your life?
I relish being your wife.
Toss me my keys.
I don't understand.
Oh, you said Christmas tree.
Why the fuck would I say Christmas tree?
I'm willing to wait for it. That's when Miss Mariah
Okay.
walked into my life. She said, "Let me smash, please."
No, no.
Go find Beck.
No. I didn't expect it. Oh no. Okay, I have my ice cube, right? Oh, aha. It's so cold. Oh, it's not even touching my skin. Does this count? Okay, cold. Okay. You know, I say it counts. It's in my shirt. But my shirt is a baggy shirt, so this is awesome. Cause it's, it's in here. That's the ice cube right there. And it doesn't touch me, so I would say that this counts, right? This counts. Oh, it touched me. Okay.
Some fuck.
No wrong.
The Hamilton mixtape. Have you heard the Hamilton mixtape? Have you heard the new Hamilton mixtape? Dude, yes.
Oh no, I forgot to fix my cam. Oh, that cold. Oh, it's so cold. Ah.
I hadn't slept in a week. I was weak. I was awake. You've never seen a vast.
Oh. So what did I miss?
What you got?
That's powered by sadness.
You did exactly as you said, but I held my head up high.
Cold. Hold on, I'm gonna put it in my bra.
What you say?
Oh, it's touching me, it's touching me, it's touching me.
This can't be that good.
Playing with work, we had a guy on the inside. That's right.
Oh my god! No, you can't just fall. Seems to... It's really cold, guys. It's cold. 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 This is really cold. This is...
Look at someone and wonder, what is going on inside their head?
No! No, I laughed again. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I don't want to do this. Okay, let's put you right there on my other titty. Okay, let's continue watching.
I may have punched him. It's a blur.
So he handles the financials, punched the person. Yes, I want to do it. Yes, it's over. Yes. Ow, ow, ooh, hoo, he, ooh, awesome. So the rule is once the Hamilton video is over, I can take, I get them off.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder, what is going on inside their head?
It's so cold. So I'm watching 2 videos, and every time, now that there's a new video, I get to take it off. Yes. Crouch.
You better fucking fix this shit right
Me.
now. I literally am gonna die. I need an ambulance. I can't believe.
Do you ever play sad music just so you can feel sad? That's right. Spying on the British government. I take the measurements information and then I smuggle it.
History has its eyes on you.
Oh, hey, Daryl. Hey, guys. Hold up. You ain't even gay. Okay.
No! Why am I doing this? Why do I do this to myself? Get out! Ooh, they're all in my shirt. They're all of them in my shirt. Ow.
Anyone to John?
Everybody has a gay cousin. Bitch, I don't have a gay cousin. Wait. Oh, shit, I am the gay... Oh, my God.
You can get those reports on my desk? You sure you're just gonna keep looking at pictures of people that you wanna fuck?
Have a great day, boys.
Bye, dads.
We'll have tons of sex while you're gone.
Am I the type of guy who seems kinda gay?
Oh! Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up!
No, now I
Now you fucked up!
No, I really did. I thought.
This is
Oh no.
Jeremy. Nice to meet you, Mr. Johnson.
Please, call me Daddy.
Yes.
No.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Oh.
My name is Lin Miranda. I know you don't know who I am, but I wore these pants and I'm willing to dance.
I'm gonna wrap it up in my shirt, and then I won't have to feel so cold. The orphan. No. I don't have any more ice cubes. I dumped them all in my shirt.
Well, Jimmy James, what did I miss? Thomas, what the hell? What is wrong, Jimmy James? You need the macaroni. Macaroni.
Macaroni. We're outgunned, outmanned, outnumbered, outplanned. There are 10 things you need to know. I feel like if I just sing them, it'll make me feel better. In the ALEXANDER.
Meet the latest graduate. Listen to this one part of the song. Wait. Are you fucking kidding me?
It's cold!
Okay, just there.
I shipped them. Sorry for forgetting what you taught me. My son, we played piano. I have a Cross and all. Ooh, it's cold!
He doesn't deserve you. If he doesn't treat you right by now, you're gone. I'm gone. Now go chop his dick off.
You know, all my ice cubes are in my shirt. I can't. Spying on the inside. That's right. Release Mulligan.
What music are you into? I like
this. It's very mature. Oh. Shut. I'm not going my shut. And you're just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, hungry, and I'm not going my story. There is suffering too terrible to name. 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 things you need to know. You're my dad. Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Hey, what time is it?
showtime, like I said. Showtime, showtime. Yo, I'm John Lawrence in the place to be. I'll just be here listening to my tunes.
Hey, you guys mind if I put in my mixtape?
How much longer is this? I'm kind of freezing. I didn't think this through. Also, 4 days until school. Not my. I lost my ice cubes. I need to put these away.
Over the Instagram. This is the Snapchat. I wonder why I don't like the Snapchat. Look at my face.
Just gonna put these all back in there. Ah, dropping my ice cubes. Okay, no more Hamilton vines. No, no, no. Okay, let me pick up all my ice cubes. I lost my ice cubes because of Lafayette. Lafayette, why would you do this to me? Why, Lafayette? And my thing is not working. I have very bad quality internet, so that must be why. Anyways, please like, subscribe, comment. For my suffering, I'm freezing right now. My shirt is soaked. Yeah. Bye-bye, amigos.
Every time I read a message,
I wish I was on one of your exes.